You can eat it every day, and I do. I eat it with sparkling water, and I enjoy it very much. It gives me energy. It also gives me a coarseness.
What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
It's my show, but I'm never there.
In the field of comedy, it's so multifaceted, and as a comedian, you kind of have to, like how when I see you at the Hollywood Improv and you just come on stage and you would do your, I mean,
you know.
No, it's a pleasure. I'd always make time for you. You know, I'm a big fan. I followed you.
Basically, the making of Chinatown.
Are you nervous?
No, I'm not. I've watched your show for years.
Behind the bleachers.
Right, you know what
I used to hack it up real good.
Tell me about that.
That was a while ago, Robert. That was 16 years.
Tropics flown in. I had them. They.
It's where you get a Jewish person who wants to jitsu.
You ready to?
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging and I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.